video, we are taking you to Oslo, which is the capital of Norway.
So guys, Oslo is also very beautiful. Autumn looks very good here. You can see the colorful trees with the modern architecture. It looks really very beautiful. Hi guys. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Travelsheesh, जहाँ मैं सता
मैं हूँ आतिफ।
हम लेकर चलते हैं आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर। आज हम हैं ओस्लो में। सुबह हमारी फ्लाइट थी एलिसन से, सो हम ओस्लो पहुँचे हैं और आज आपको लेकर जाएंगे मेन लैंडमार्क्स ऑफ ओस्लो। तो चले और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं ओस्लो को।
Let's go.
So guys, we are again at the airport. They was putting up the tags to the bag. और फिर हम लगेज ड्रॉप करेंगे and then we'll fly to Oslo. So guys, we have done check-in और हमने ऑनलाइन चेक-इन कर ली थी, लगेज ड्रॉप कर लिया है. This airport is quite empty. हमें एक दो लोग ही नज़र आ रहे हैं. This time we are going from the Norwegian flight and we are going to Oslo. So see you there. So guys, now we are in our flight and we are going towards the Oslo, right?
Yes.
Flight is 40 minutes flight. So let's go.
Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's alright.
So guys, now we have reached Oslo. It's at the south side. So we have started from the northern side, Tromsø, and then been to Ålesund, the center. And now in Oslo, the southern side. So we almost covered the Norway. So guys, Oslo being the capital city, it's very happening, very crowded. और ये लोगों की जो है हम तरफ यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नज़र आ रही है. You can find people going out, going in. यहाँ पर रश ज़्यादा है. बाकी जितनी भी जगह हम गए हैं, they are very peaceful, less crowded and very beautiful. Oslo भी अच्छा है, but ये है कि थोड़ा city wise है. It's not like outskirts of the country. And guys, this is the famous Barcode Street food area. जैसे ही आप सेंट्रल स्टेशन से नीचे उतरते हैं तो it will come on downstairs. और यहाँ पर है कि आपको सारे options मिल जाएंगे, Thai, Indian, Chinese, and it's a very cute area inside. Colorful भी है, vibrant भी है, and you find lots of option over here for food.
Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay.
And guys, this is the famous Munch building which is newly made and it is a famous landmark as well. So यहाँ definitely आते हैं and go inside as well and explore it.
Now's the time to decide what to do and I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do.
So guys, this one is the art museum. So if you are an art lover, you must visit here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
And now we are going towards the Opera House, which is another famous landmark in Oslo.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down.
And guys, now we have reached the Opera House. यहाँ पर लोग ऊपर जाते हैं and they will take the view of whole city. So it is a must when you are in Oslo.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high.
तो गाइस ओपेरा हाउस के ऊपर आने के बाद आपको वन साइड पे जो है वो हार्बर नजर आता है. ऑन द सेकंड साइड यू कैन सी द मॉडर्न सिटी ऑफ ओस्लो.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
And guys, here you can see one side is the harbor and the other side is the opera house. So all the landmarks are nearby. अगर आप सेंट्रल स्टेशन आ जाते हैं तो उससे तकरीबन 10 मिनट्स और 5 मिनट्स की वॉक पर है ऑल द मेजर हाइलाइट्स ऑफ ओस्लो. So guys, Oslo is also very beautiful. Autumn looks very good here. You can see the colorful trees with the modern architecture. It looks really very beautiful. And Afan, how can we miss the souvenir shop, right?
Yes.
You want to get some souvenir of Oslo?
Yes.
Let's buy some. Afan, are you enjoying the play area? So guys, there's a play area just beside the central station where kids can enjoy and have fun. And guys, this is one more Hard Rock Cafe which is at Oslo. And guys, this is their main Sorgata, means the shopping street. यहाँ पर जो है इस वक्त भी काफ़ी चहल पहल है और काफ़ी लोग नज़र आ रहे हैं. It's very crowded. People are shopping, people are just walking and having fun over here.
This is an active city.
Yep. Okay guys. Hi guys, so we have reached Oslo. Oslo में हमने करवाया है Bob W. It's an hotel apartment and it cost us 140 euro. मैं देती हूँ आपको अपने रूम का टूर. House room. So our room starts from here. You can see Bob W. And here is the table, chair, and this is the single bed for Afan and double bed for us. Room is quite big. अच्छा room है. Cozy.
Oh, hello.
Hi, Afan. There's a TV, 2 chairs and a table so you can sit. There's a mirror so you can get ready. Hey, Atif. And this one is the washroom. It's pretty nice. And that's the shower area. And here's some bathroom to water. And then if you need anything, they are available 24/7.
So guys, if you liked our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Travelsheesh for more videos. If you got a question, please place in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, X and TikTok. Handles are Travelsheesh. Bye. See you in the next video.